Is your insurance company demanding a roof replacement before renewing your policy? Let's dive into why this happens and how you can leverage it to your benefit. This is part 1 of 7 in our series exploring deeper into roofing insurance essentials. Age is always the primary factor. I've interviewed dozens of local agents and they've told me, depending on who they represent and type of policy you have, anywhere from a 15, 20, but absolute maximum 25-year-old roof will be deemed a liability and require a replacement prior to the policy being renewed. The second factor is liability or danger of fire. The older the materials, the more brittle they become. This elevates the risk of a fire damage for that carrier. Just know that as your roof approaches 20 years or more, the likelihood is extremely increased that you'll receive that demand letter requiring a new roof in order to maintain coverage. Well, a new roof is extremely easy and appealing for an insurance provider to insure. Knowing that that roof is brand new likely gives them some peace of mind taking you on as a client. And as we know, the ability to have a new policy written for your property is extremely difficult at this given moment in California. So having things like a new roof will drastically increase your percentage of being able to be deemed insurable by these agencies. Concerned about your roof's compliance with insurance requirements? Follow us for more insights and contact Sierra Hills Roofing today to book your free estimate.